I'm Nadine from Cult of Mac, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Nomad charging stand for the Apple Watch. So first things first, let's take a look at the packaging. It feels really smooth, and it looks super clean and sharp. It has a picture of the product on the front. And if we go to the back, it has a breakdown of all the features of the stand. Opening it is super simple. The top just pops off to reveal the product. Here's the stand. Let's take a closer look. This charging stand is made from one solid piece of aircraft-grade aluminum. The weighted base and rubber non-slip bottom secures it to your dresser or nightstand. Its minimalist design is smooth and sleek. The back has a spot for the charging cord, which is hidden from the front of the stand itself. Your watch's placement and removal from the stand is made easy by the simple design. The cable is not included with the stand. This stand runs for $39.95 at our watch store.